Hey guys, it's Chris Appleton. Now this morning I was showing Carson how to cut his hair on the Today Show. In a few simple steps, I'm going to show you exactly what to do and what not to do when cutting men's hair at home. You're going to need a pair of clippers, a pair of scissors, sectioning clips and a comb. First of all, what you want to do is section the hair out so you know what's going to be short and what's going to be longer. So sides and back, take a section from the temple area and follow it through to the bone in the back, which is called the occipital bone. That's a great guideline to create your fade. Just before you start cutting, make sure you go for a head size that's longer than what you're used to. You can always go a little bit shorter after, and if it's your first time doing it, you're going to want to have a little bit of room to play. So I usually use a 3, but I'm going to use a 4 for a guide. Always start at the front, in front of the ear, and you're literally going to go in, follow that all the way up to the top, and make sure that when you get to the top, you get a bit of a flicking action with your wrist. So you just want to flick the hair out. So you're just going to follow that all the way through to the back. During this point, always start from the front, work to the back. Once you've got that going and you like the length, follow the same on the opposite side. Now what we're going to do is create a little bit of a fade. So I'm going to use a shorter head than what I just used on my clipper attachment. I used a 4, now I'm going to go down to a 3. And then what we're going to do, effectively follow the same guideline, but you're only going to go halfway up. So keeping it nice and tight around the hairline, which is kind of effectively what a fade is. So in at the root, and remember halfway flick it out. So you're not going to continue this to the top, you're just going to do this around the bottom of the head. So you should get something like this going on. And now what we're going to do is blend this top in. So take the sectioning clips out. I've kind of wet it down with a little bit of water just to get it going. And then I'm going to blend this corners in, take the length off on top. So you want to imagine a half circle shape on the top of the head, which effectively is the shape of the head, and you're going to follow that. So you're going to take a section on the sides and you're going to blend in from the shortest to this area. And follow that all the way around the sides. You're going to do that throughout the sides and the back, and then I'm going to show you how to blend the top. So now we've blended that side section, either side and the back around the perimeter. What we're going to do now is we have to blend the top into that. So what you want to imagine is a half moon shape. So from here, you're going to imagine this curve around into what you just cut here. So you're creating like a half moon shape effect. So cut to the desired length on the top. I'm going to point cut this. If you point cut it, it just makes it a little bit softer rather than a straight line. And then you're going to continue that on the corner here. Take that corner off, remember that half moon shape, and you're going to blend it in. Alright, so we're just going to continue doing that throughout the rest of the haircut. So take that middle down, and then remember taking that corner section in and blending the two into each other. If you do have really short hair at this point as well, you can just use a buzzer. Alright, we're getting through this pretty nicely. So now what you want to do is we're blending in the top. My tip for the bang bit at the front, if you want to keep a bit of length, is just to pull it backwards upon itself. If you pull it backwards when you cut it, you'll create a little bit more length and leave like a slight front for you guys to play with. Alright guys, I'm going to dry it off. I'm going to use my favourite. This is the Colorwell 1 Minute Transformation Cream. It has avocado in it. It's really moisturising. It just helps for me styling the hair and keeping it nice and tame. So you should get something that looks like this. So nice and tight at the sides, longer length on top. I think he looks pretty handsome, he looks pretty dapper. Listen, have some fun with it, take your time. My top tip is to honestly always go a little bit longer than you want. Always go back in after and sharpen it up and go in a little bit shorter. Make sure you have a mirror if you're doing it yourself at the back. And just make sure you follow that guideline, because honestly, that's kind of one of the key things, making sure you follow that guideline. We are in quarantine, so hopefully you guys can use some of these tricks and tips to get by until you can get back into the salon. Let me know how you get on, tag me in your post, always interested to see how you guys are doing home hairdressing, and I'll see you next time.